Hey, CraftDee family, and welcome to another video by She's So CraftDee. It's Shopping Sunday at Dollar Tree, and they have yet again impressed me with all of the new fun finds this week. So let's dive in. Now, I'm starting in the kitchenwares, and look what I have spotted, you guys. I found the tumblers with mom themes on them. So as you can see, these kind of have that Letterman jacket patch style letters, and this is sealed in a clear exterior. So really pretty for these tumblers. Now, you can get them saying mom, or you can get a blue one that says mama. I think these are just too adorable and would be so great in gift baskets for Mother's Day. Now, we've all seen the stemless clear wine glasses at Dollar Tree, but a new brand has made its debut. This is made by the E-Pure Glasswares brand. I've never seen it at Dollar Tree, and you can see these are tinted in like a green color. They also have this one that's like tinted in a brown color. Brand new arrival at the Dollar Tree, and you could tell that these are just a little thicker and are better quality than the ones that the Dollar Tree sells. The last one I found is this one, and it has a bluish gray tint on it. So if you love stemless wine glasses, check it out. I also love to craft with these. You know, I have done it before. And what I've done is I've painted them and I put ribbon and beads on them to make little planters. So super cute. And I've also frosted them with some frosted spray paint to make this little lantern. Now, all of the DIYs I show will have the full tutorials in the description box below if you would love to give them a try too. Another item in the glassware section is this glass. Check out that heavy duty base on this glass. Such great quality. I love the carving in it. Really nice. These are all just $1.25. I'm really impressed with the glassware at the Dollar Tree. Now, they also have new mugs. They have the initial mugs. Now, these are different from years before because these have a black handle and they have a black interior. I have never seen these at the Dollar Tree before, but you always want to arrive early so you can get the popular letters of your choice. I showed one vented bowl that was in a rectangle last week, but this week I found the round bowls with the vented lid. I also found these square bowls. These are larger bowls, microwave safe, and they have that vented lid. So check those out if you are on the hunt for them. I hopped over to the craft section. They had a couple of new wood items. I've never seen this little lighted house. This says, "This is my happy place." It does have an LED light on the inside. They have another one that says "Home Sweet Home," and they also have a hexagon shaped one. These can be painted or stained or decorated in any way that you love. So check those out in the craft section. Another thing that I spotted were these signs. You remember these signs from a few years back? They are back. I spotted them at a few different Dollar Trees. I just love these items with the intricate carvings and shapes. So great for DIYing. I have taken this sign and I actually painted it white, and I put a black trim on it and put a little hanger with a mason jar and candles inside. So really cute and easy project. Now here's a brand new item I've never seen at the Dollar Tree. So these are little collapsible paintbrush water bowls. I've never seen these before in the craft section. Now what's unique about this is it also comes with a little holder for your paintbrushes, and you can get these in 3 colors: the gray, the pink, or the green. So be on the lookout for these bowls. Over in decor, look what I spotted. These little marble apples. These came and went so fast last year, but they are back just in time for end of year teacher gifts. I also spotted this vase. They just started putting them on the shelves, and the only one that I spotted so far was the yellow one. No worries. If you don't find the color of your choice, you can paint them. And I painted this one black and gave it a light camel tan accent with some leather. Such a cute and easy DIY. Now, if you love incense, check out this incense kit. It comes with the wood holder and 20 incense sticks in one kit. I only found them in jasmine, but be on the lookout for more at your stores. Now let's head outdoors. Look at the stepping stones. This is part of the Shore Living collection in the sea theme. So these are seashell kind of stepping stones that you would put outside. They had them also in a starfish design. Those are really cute. And while we're outdoors, why not talk about planting? They do have a lot of pots, but the new ones that I spotted this week are these multi-pack pots. So not only did they have a variety of colors, but they have multi-pack. So they have a 4-pack of the smallest ones for $125. The next step up, they have a 3-pack. And what I love about this is that you could get them in multiple colors. Here's one in like a grayish tan color. They have the 4 and the 3 packs available. You could get them in black. And listen, these are great for little small plants, flowers, herbs, whatever you may want to plant. And then you get a multiple pack, which is a bonus. So check those out in the garden section at your Dollar Tree store. Heading over to health and beauty, I found this double pack of premium bath poofs. These are really great because not only do you get a 2-pack, but look how they're packaged. Very nice, $1.25. They also have this bath mitt. I've seen lots of things by this brand, but this is the first time I'm spotting the bath mitt. You guys, it has a nice exfoliating texture on it, so check that out as well. They also had a couple of new body washes I have never seen before. So this is the LA Looks brand. This is Peel Good Orange. Fun name for a body wash. And they have Cool as a Cucumber. Both of these smell really nice. I was really impressed by, the smell of them. So if you've tried them, let me know in the comments below. Now they do have these larger bottles of the body wash as well by Pro Silk. Not as thick as the other ones, but you do get 24 ounces in these two if you're looking for that. They have these multi-pack of the charcoal infused toothbrushes. This is an 8-pack, you guys. Great for families, donation, or whatever you might want to use these for. I love multiple packs of these products. If you love serums, and you know what? The Global Beauty brand is coming out with so many serums, and this is a power serum. So check that out at the Dollar Tree. These were just put on the shelves today. This was interesting. So this is an ear cleaner. It cleans out your ear wax. So it says it's one of the top sellers. So I'm like, okay, let's see what this is about. So I wanted to let you know that that is available as well. And don't give up on your hunt for the hand sanitizers. They keep showing up at my stores and people seem to be enjoying them, as you can see, but don't give up. They will show up eventually. And hopefully everyone is considerate of what everybody wants for these items. Now over in the hardware section, they have these cable covers. It's a 4-piece set with 2 long strips and 2 caps. These are great for hiding all those tedious cords around. They do have these in white and black. Now I've seen the white ones before, but I have not seen the blacks. I wanted to show you that these are starting to pop up at the Dollar Tree. And look, they have a caliper. I have never seen this tool at the Dollar Tree. These are great for measuring depth and width and thicknesses of items. I keep one in my woodworking area and also in my craft room. This is more accurate than a ruler when it comes to measuring those types of items. They also have the rubber dipped gloves, which I always love, but check these out. These are super thick. They have upgraded the style of these. I couldn't actually believe how thick these were. That it's almost like a name brand and you have multiple colors. Now, if you don't like to take your gloves off and working with your phone, they do have the touch finger style as well if you're working with electronic devices. And Be Still My Heart dill pickle popcorn has showed up at the Dollar Tree. I love everything dill pickle. So this Pop Daddy brand is showing up all over the Dollar Tree. I've heard great reviews about this product. Now they also do have another one, which is jalapeno cheddar. So if you're looking for those flavored popcorns in this brand, check them out. They're all just $1.25, and there may be more flavors, but these are the 2 that I spotted in my store. Another new item I spotted were these Pampa brand pepperoncini peppers. I've never seen these at the Dollar Tree as well. I did pick up a few of them. I love these to toss in salad, so definitely check those out. Over in the pet section, they have the Spot brand dog toys. I did see them briefly last year, but they have come back, and these are said to hold up for a very long time for most rough animals. So I did see this blue one shaped like a bone, and then I saw these 2 in blue and also in orange. So give those a try for your fur baby if you're looking for something different. They also have this poop bag dispenser with the flashlight. Now, this is a name brand. Dollar Tree has their own brand, but this seems to be more durable and a larger flashlight built in, and also comes with the bags included. So this is another item you can add to your arsenal for your pet. I haven't cruised through the Easter section in a while, but I did spot this block set. So this is a bunny and a little chick in little blocks you can add to the Easter baskets for the littles. Now I'm going to head over to the Dollar Tree Plus section and let's see what they have. Pillows. I love the throw pillows, and this was a new one that I hadn't seen before. I love this crinkly wavy design on this in this nice creamy white color. Now all of the pillows at Dollar Tree are just $5. Now if you like a solid velvety feel, they did have this one in red, they have it in blue, and they also have that one in gray. Again, these are all just $5. Now on my next store that I visited, I found that crinkly finished one in red as well. Still just the $5 price point, and you can mix and match these different colors and textures to make your space look a little different. Now at my third Dollar Tree, I did spot a green one, so it looks like you have to go to multiple Dollar Trees to find all the different assortments. So that's always the good advice. Visit different Dollar Trees to find a bigger assortment. Now check out this big plush dusty rose pillow. I bought these last year in gray, but I don't believe I saw pink last year, but these are so soft and plush. Now, if you're looking for a water bottle but not a fan of plastic, they have glass water bottles. These are just a little bit over 25 ounces a piece. They have that silicone sleeve on there to protect the glass. So these are just $5 if you're looking for a glass water bottle, and the sleeves come in pink, like a blue, and also a lime. If you're looking for a tiki torch, check these out. These are $3. These are not those $1.25 ones we saw a few years ago. These are more beefier and sturdier. And beach time is just around the corner, you guys, and the beach totes have come out. First of all, I have to give them praise. The thickness of this canvas is on point, A1. These are just $5. They've got that nautical rope to tie into it, and also they have a variety of different prints to enjoy to give you that nice summery beachy feel. You think that these are nice? Well, check it out. They have coordinating zipper bags to go with it. These are $5 as well. And so they have a waterproof compartment on the outside that you just zipper up. And this is great for putting your phone or electronics in. And then it has a larger compartment for all of your other beach goodies that you want to take with you to the beach. So these are great to coordinate with those large canvas totes that you could take to the beach with you. They also have a lot of summer toys, and a few that I wanted to feature were this little golf caddy with all the pieces. Now this has 9 pieces included, and I think for $5 that's such a great deal. Now they also have this bowling pin set that has 8 pins and 2 balls. I stared really hard at this thinking, what can I DIY with this? I'm still thinking about ideas, but I think you get so many pieces for just $5. I am not taking it off the table. I think I'm going to come up with an idea to make with this bowling pin set. They do have some hair products, and this is that Cantu curling cream dupe that Dollar Tree has. Now I did love their curl enhancing smoothie version, really nice. So I'm excited to try this one out. Great for the curly girls. Now they have this car trunk organizer, and I remember a few years ago they offered it in a white package. Now it's in a black package, so I'm not sure if the design has changed or just the packaging, but I love that it has 9 huge compartments, and this thing will hold up to 100 pounds. So that would be great for car trunk organizing. And check this out. They have the wireless earbuds. Listen, with us going to the beach and things, I would hate to lose like $100 earbuds. You can grab a $5 pair and take it on the road with you. And then if you lose it, you won't be so heartbroken. Now, you guys, if you missed my shopping video last week featuring even more fun finds at the Dollar Tree, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or you can click the link provided in the description box below. And I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today. But if you want to see the items I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you can check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now listen, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree as much as I do, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and make sure you leave me a comment letting me know your most exciting find at Dollar Tree this week. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It doesn't cost a thing. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.